Aloha, what is up everyone? Okay, so today's project, let me go over what we're doing. So we are going to be pulling off the fifth wheel on Project Pugly. It doesn't look too bad. There's seven bolts per side. Then I got the one airline because it's got the air slide. And I believe the truck's a 78, so I think this fifth wheel's never been off. This looks like the original factory one. So what is that, 42 years. So yeah, I got them soaking in penetrating oil, so hopefully they come off. And then we got a forklift ready to go. But yeah, I'll give you guys so this is the last look of it with it on. And then I'll show you guys when we pull it off real quick. And then what it looks like without it here. I'll give you the front shot too. That's it. Pugly's gonna look quite a bit different here in about an hour. Okay, I'll give you guys updates. Okay. Here we go. 42 years with a fifth wheel. That's pretty clean. Gotta clean up the frame rails. I'm gonna paint it. Just a real quick little black paint. Not bad. That's about as much rust as you get from a California truck. See this little bit right here? There you go. There it is. Okay. Pugly has lost its fifth wheel. There it is. Okay. And one thing I forgot to ask you guys in the beginning is I want you to guess what we're gonna do on the back of this truck. Some of you, I think I have this feeling, I know what most of you are gonna say, but I want you to post in the comments what you think what we're gonna do with the back of Pugly. Right here, right there. Okay? Okay, I'll post this up and then let me know what you guys think. Okay, see ya.